Welcome to our next lesson, Panchami Vibhakti, fifth case, ablative case. The equivalent prepositions in English are from and than. Whenever we have to use from and than in English, we have to use Panchami Vibhakti. First four words are Akaranta words, next three are Akaranta words. So whatever the word ending with a should be declined like this, and a also. Vrikshat, vrikshabhyam, vrikshebhyah. Parvatat, parvatabhyam, parvatebhyah. Nagarat, nagarabhyam, nagarebhyah. Gramat, gramabhyam, ग्रामेभ्यः. शालायाः, शालाभ्यां, शालाभ्यः. लतायाः, लताभ्यां, लताभ्यः. शाखायाः, शाखाभ्यां, शाखाभ्यः. Let us know the meaning. Vrikshat, from a tree, than a tree. Vrikshabhyam, from two trees, than two trees. Vrikshebhyah, from many trees, than many trees. Parvatat, from a mountain, than a mountain. Parvatabhyam, from two mountains, than two mountains. Parvatebhyah, from many mountains, than many mountains. Nagarat, from a city, than a city. Nagarabhyam, from two cities, than two cities. Nagarebhyah, from many cities, than many cities. Gramat, from a village, than a village. Gramabhyam, from two villages, than two villages. Gramebhyah, from many villages, than many villages. Shalayah, from a place, than a place. Shala, Pathashala, Goshala, Ashwashala, Chikitsa Shala. Shala means a place. Shalayah, from a place, than a place. Shalabhyam, from two places, than two places. Shalabhyah, from many places, than many places. Latayah, from a creeper, than a creeper. Latabhyam, from two creepers, than two creepers. Latabhyah, from many creepers, than many creepers. Shakhayah, from a branch, than a branch. Shakhabhyam, from two branches, than two branches. Shakhabhyah, from many branches, than many branches. Like this, you have to decline Akaranta and Akaranta words and also get the meaning like this. Let us move on to the next slide. Let us practice some sentences in Panchami Vibhakti. Krishakaha gramat nagaram gacchati. Krishakaha, a farmer. Gacchati, goes. Nagaram, to a city. Gramat, from village. Gramat, from village. Meghat, jalam varshati. Meghat, from the cloud. Jalam, the water. Varshati, showers. Chhatraha grihat vidyalayam gacchanti. Chhatraha, students. Gacchanti, go. Vidyalayam, to school. Grihat, from home. Students go to school from home. Ganga Himalayat nirgachati. Ganga, the Ganges, nirgachati, flow out. Himalayat, from the Himalayas. Shakhayaha patrani patanti. Shakhayaha, from the branches. Shakhayaha, from a branch. Patanti, fall. Patrani, leaves. Leaves fall from a branch. Shalayaha shikshakaha agachanti. It can be shikshakaha shalayaha agachanti. The sentence can be either this way or that way. Shikshakaha, teachers. Shalayaha, from school. Agachanti, come. Malayaha pushpani patanti. Pushpani, flowers. Patanti, fall. Malayaha, from a garland. Gajaha vyagrat balavan asti. Gajaha, the elephant. Asti is balavan, stronger. Vyagrat, than a tiger. Elephant is stronger than the tiger. So what we understand from these sentences? The Panchami Vibhakti is used for the prepositions from and than. Gajaha vyagrat balavan asti. Here it is comparative degree. So let us move on to the lesson. Dashamaha Pataha, 10th lesson. Apadana Karakam, Panchami Vibhakti, 5th case. Ablative case. Kathina Shabdarthaha, Prabhriti, onwards. Bahihi, outside. Bhita, afraid. Trasyati, fear. Nirjharaha, waterfall. Bilam, hole or a hollow. Chayam, to the shade. Now we move on to the sentences. Chhatraha grihat vidyalayam gachanti. Chhatraha, students. Gachanti, go. Vidyalayam, Dvitiya Bhakti, to school. Grihat, Panchami Bhakti, from school. Students go to school from home. Sa udyanat agacchati. Sa, she. Agacchati, comes. Udyanat, from garden. She comes from a garden. Nirjaraha parvatat pravahati. Nirjaraha. Nirjaraha means waterfall. Pravahati, flows out. Parvatat, from a mountain. The waterfall flows out from a mountain. Akashat jalam varshati. Akashat, from the sky. Jalam, water. Varshati, showers. The water showers from the sky. Vrikshat phalani patanti. Vrikshat, from a tree. Phalani, fruits. Patanti, fall. Fruits fall from a tree. Vrikshat parnani patanti. Vrikshat, from a tree. Parnani, leaves. Patanti, fall. Leaves fall from a tree. Pustakam hastat patati. Pustakam, a book. Patati, falls. Hastat, from a hand. Book falls from a hand. Krishakaha gramat nagaram agacchati. Krishakaha, a farmer. Agacchati, comes. Nagaram, to the city. Gramat, from a village. A farmer comes to the city from a village. Here in this slide we have noticed Grihat, Udyanat, Parvatat, Akashat, Vrikshat, Hastat, Gramat. These are Panchami Vibhakti words used for from. Let us move on to the next slide. Vanaraha vrikshat nichaihi kurdati. Vanaraha, a monkey. Vrikshat, from a tree. Nichaihi, down. Kurdati, jumps. A monkey jumps down from a tree. Balikaha Vidyalayat Griham Gachanti. Balikaha, girls. Gachanti, go. Griham, to house. Dvitiya Bhakti. Vidyalayat, from a school. Girls go home from school. Bharatam Himalayat Prabhriti Asti. Hereafter we are going to see some special words. Prabhriti, Bahihi, Trasyati, Bhitaha. These words are always used along with Panchami Vibhakti. Prabhriti means onwards. Bahihi, outside. Trasyati, fear, scared. Bhitaha, scared. These words always used along with Panchami Vibhakti. Bharatam Himalayat Prabhriti Asti. India is from the Himalayas. Adya Prabhriti. Aham Samskritam Patishyami. Adya Prabhriti. Adya means today. Prabhriti onwards. Today onwards. Aham, I. Samskritam, the language, Sanskrit language. Patishyami, will read. Ishyami says, Ishya says future tense. Patishyami, I will read. I will read Sanskrit language today onwards. Aham udyanat bahihi na kridami. Aham, I, na kridami, don't play. Bahihi, outside. Udyanat, from the garden. Udyanat bahihi, outside the garden. I don't play outside the garden. Vayamapi grihat bahihi na gacchamaha. Vayamapi, we also. Na gacchamaha, don't go. Grihat bahihi, outside the house. This bahihi, follows only Panchami Bhakti. Grihat bahihi, outside the house. Here the preposition from is dropped. That is English language. But according to Sanskrit, whenever we use bahihi, the previous word should be in Panchami Bhakti. So, Grihat bahihi. Next sentence. Manushyaha mrigebhyaha trasyanti. Manushyaha, human. Trasyanti, fear. Mrigebhyaha, from the animals. People fear the animals. Now, trasyati, from where we get the fear? From the animals. So, what happened? The animals are used in Panchami Vibhakti. So, mriga becomes mrigebhyaha. Panchami Vibhakti Bahuvachanam. Next sentence. Hiranaha vyagrat trasyati. The deer fears the tiger. Vyagrat, from the tiger. Trasyati, gets afraid. So, the deer gets afraid of the tiger. Next sentence. Shashakaha bilat bahihi agacchati. Shashakaha, a rabbit, agacchati, comes out. Bilat bahihi, outside the hole. Shashakaha vrikat bhitaha dhavati. Shashakaha, shashakaha, rabbit. Dhavati, runs. Vrikat bhitaha, scared from the vrika. Vrika means wolf. A rabbit runs in the fear of wolf. We understand Prabhriti, Bahihi, Trasyati, Bhitaha are used along with Panchami Vibhakti. Let us move on to the next slide. In this slide, we are going to see a small paragraph. Even you are able to write a small paragraph like this. Ekam Udyanam Masti. There is a garden. Ekam. Ekam means one. Udyanam, garden. Asti is. There is a garden. Tat Udyanam Ati Sundaram Asti. Tat Udyanam, that garden. Ati Sundaram, very beautiful. Asti is. That garden is very beautiful. तत्र एकः तडागः अपि अस्ति. तत्र there. एकः one. तडागः pool. Api also asti there is. There is also a pool. Janaha prataha sayam cha tadagam agachanti. Janaha people. Prataha sayam cha. Prataha morning. Sayam cha and evening. Cha means and. Prataha sayam cha morning and evening. Tadagam to the pool. Agachanti come. People come to the pool morning and evening. Balakaha swamitraihi saha tatra agachanti. Balakaha boys. Agachanti. Tatra agachanti. Tatra there. Agachanti come. They come there. Swamitraihi saha with their friends. Swa means his own. Mitraihi with friends. Saha with. Saha is used with Tritiya Vibhakti. So, Mitraihi Saha. Te Tatra Kridanti. Tatra, there. Te, they all. Kridanti, play. They all play there. Udyana Palakaha Vrikshebhyaha Jalam Yachati. Udyana Palakaha, the gardener. Vrikshebhyaha, to the trees. Jalam Yachati. He offers water. The gardener offers water to the trees. Vrikshaha manushebhyaha phalani pushpani chayam cha yachanti. Vrikshaha, trees. Manushebhyaha, to the people, for the people. This is Chaturthi Bhakti. Pushpani phalani chayam cha. Pushpani phalani chayam cha. Phalani, fruits. Pushpani, flowers. Chayam cha, and the shadow. Yachanti, give. Phalani pushpani cha vrikshebhyaha patanti. Phalani, fruits. Pushpani cha, and pushpani, flowers. The fruits and flowers. Patanti, fall. Vrikshebhyaha, from trees. Fruits and flowers fall from tree. I appeal to all the learners to write some sentences and send to us. Thank you. Dhanyavadaha.